When you meet 13-year-old Mardochee, the first thing you notice is her big smile and infectious laugh. She seems like any other 6th grader at Mission Hill Middle School in Santa Cruz, California, with an extra flair for fashion. She sings in both the school and church choirs. After school, she's busy with hip-hop, swimming, ukulele, and piano classes. But one thing that sets Mardochee apart from others is she's the only Haitian in town. Are you going to sing the song for me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Okay.
She's a survivor of the 7.0 earthquake that devastated Port-au-Prince, killed 250,000, and left 2 million homeless. After a sleepless night on January 12, 2010, Mardochee and 2 of her aunts hiked up to Duval, the mountain village where they were born. She walked barefoot for 10 miles, past crushed buildings and dead bodies, because no one dared enter the cracked house to retrieve her sandals. Little did they know, but Duval was also hard hit by the quake. All the houses there were built of unreinforced stone, which easily crumbled during gudu gudu, as the Haitians call the sound of rumbling earth and falling buildings. Fortunately, there were few fatalities in Duval. Electricity and running water have yet to arrive in Duval. Most of the villagers earn their meager living from farming or livestock, carrying their goods to a weekly market to sell. When Mardochee was just 2 years old, her father Rigo decided that his only daughter should grow up with his sister in Port-au-Prince so she could learn French and get a good education. Another thing that sets Mardochee apart, although she hides it well, is her limited vision. She was born with a genetic eye disease called retinitis pigmentosa. To date, there is no cure for RP, but progress is being made with stem cells.
So take this in your hand, use this. Just close your eye. How many fingers do you see now? Okay.
When I first met Mardochee in 2008, she was wearing glasses and still attending school. She was quiet and shy, not sure what to make of the white American visitor who spoke no Haitian Creole and little French. It wasn't until after the earthquake that I heard about Angel Missions, a Christian charity that specializes in obtaining medical visas to the U.S. for Haitian children in need. They did all the paperwork. But because Angel Missions doesn't have a doctor who specializes in retinitis pigmentosa, I had to find one who would donate his or her services. It took several months before we found not one, but 3 doctors here in Santa Cruz who agreed to help Mardochee. They are Dr. Harvey Fishman, ophthalmologist, Dr. David Farborough, optometrist, and Dr. Lana Larsh, family doctor. I also got in touch with the Vista Center and with Jill Tardif and Allie Chapin from the County Office of Education, who are special teachers for visually impaired students. Mardochee arrived in the U.S. on November 8, 2011. I met her and her Angel Missions escort at the Miami airport. We visited Haitian friends in Florida, Georgia, and Tennessee. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
This is Mardochee. I'm in Florida.
I'm in Florida.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Her first weeks at Mission Hill Middle School were quite challenging. She spoke no English, so I had to attend school with her. Since then, Mardochee has learned English fluently, knows her way around school, has sung in choir recitals, performed hip-hop, and participated in a fashion show. She makes friends easily and has traveled around the U.S. during school vacations. Her family and friends back in Haiti will not recognize her when she returns in the fall. Sadly, since there is no cure or treatment that can reverse this diagnosis, Mardochee's medical visa will expire after 1 year. So my next challenge will be to find a good school in Haiti or the Dominican Republic which can accommodate her special needs. Such a smart girl deserves a good education because she has big plans for her future.
When I grow up, I want to be a police officer, I want to be a doctor, and I also want to teach. I want to be Jackson and I want to be Whitney Houston, number 2.
Through the course of her time with us, she has learned so much. She's now speaking conversationally fluently. She is reading, she is writing, and because of her curiosity and because of her intellect, she has made absolutely astounding progress, like I said. I'd like to honor Mardochee Andre.